Mũcemanio wa ikundi itiganĩte cia kũrũĩra ihoto cia mũingĩ ũgũthiaga na mbere nyũmba-inĩ ĩmwe ya mĩcemanio kanitha-inĩ wa All Saints Cathedral mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi. Rĩrĩa gĩkundi kĩa Nyanake kĩingĩrire na kũgeria kũharagania mũcemanio ũyũ.
Who sends goons to All Saints Cathedral? What are you doing? Goons and saints, I hope they came here for conversion and nothing else. It is not even so much the goons, it is who is the owner of these goons. Who is uncomfortable with budget discussion?
We are just demanding an explanation from the IG of police. We want him to come out publicly and speak to this issue and let Kenyans know who are behind this goonism, who sent them. We want those names made public and we want them ashamed.
Ikundi ici igũthũrimaga mendekithia ma budget marĩa maratemanirio bunge-inĩ mũthĩ wa kana nĩ Minister wa Kĩgĩna John Mbadi. Mwanake ũmwe ũrĩa wĩkirio ngono thutha wa borithi kũrathũkia rithathi akiumbũrania megũtũmĩtwo nĩ abithaa mũnene thirikari-inĩ na muoroto wa kũharagania mũcemanio ũcio.
So that's a public document and we will be here every day. We have chosen All Saints Cathedral as a venue because Uhuru Park is no longer open for us. Because when we go to Jivanji, we are no longer safe. Because we are not rich and extravagant like government to go to costly hotels. This is part of the austerity measures that we hope government can embrace moving forward. All Saints is open, it is affordable. We would save 4.8 trillion if their retreat came here. And they would be sanctified of any spirit of theft, greed, or anything else.
So we've got critical lead information from that one particular person who was arrested, and we can establish that that group was sent by politicians who are not happy with what we are doing here as All Saints Cathedral alongside our partners who are gathered here.
Thutha wa kũrutũrũrwo kanitha-inĩ, Nyanake ici cionekete kũbora mũingĩ na athii ya magũrũ barabara-inĩ nene ya Kenyatta Avenue rĩrĩa igwĩtharaga.
So we want to condemn this and just request the government and also those in authority to please allow Kenyans express their rights because this is provided for in the law. We cannot be asking for these rights 15 years after the promulgation of the Constitution.
Organizing goons to come and attack the public, and worst of all, in a church setting, is sacrilegious and incredibly uncalled for. We condemn this in the strongest terms possible. Ikundi
ici cia ateteri ihoto nĩ inyũrũrĩtie mendekithia ma budget marĩa matemanĩtio bunge-inĩ, makiuga mendekithia macio matirĩ na ũguni kũrĩ mũingĩ.
The budget outcome as was read fell short of factoring in the voices of the people because the public participation that was purportedly undertaken did not meet the threshold.
If the leadership of this budget process, the executive, do not listen to the cries of Kenyans, we'll have no option but again to come out and defend what is ours, because this budget is not our budget. It is the executive's budget. Is it the budget for the politicians to just steal from us and and to get fatter as we grow thinner? We have to push back and we have to speak loudly regardless of what's happening.
Ateteri aya ihoto cia mũingĩ morĩtie bunge gũthingata mawoni ma mũingĩ na gwĩkĩrĩra mĩbango ya ũkũria ĩrĩa mũingĩ ũnyoteire. Mũtugo wa gũtũmaga ikundi cia imaramari gũthararia mĩcemanio ya mũingĩ rĩu nĩ ũingĩrĩte gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩngĩ, kũrĩa rĩu nginya makanitha na nyũmba cia ihoero itaraiguĩrwo tha. Ikundi cia kũhũranĩra ihoto igĩthiĩ na mbere gũkũmithia ũtharĩkĩri ũyũ ciũrĩtie mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja kwĩyumĩria na gũtarĩria nĩkĩ kĩrathiĩ na mbere. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV ndĩ kanitha-inĩ wa All Saints Cathedral, gũkũ nĩ mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.